What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode. I thought I'd make a video just on Bill's taxi. It's pretty funny. It's got 600,000 Ks in it. Oh, dash isn't on. 6-speed manual. What is it? BAXR8. Bloody welded diff. Some extractors. And it loves life. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage. I'll cut to it now. Peace.
Hi.
Yes. Here goes Billo in the taxi. Yeah, Billo! Well, Bill shredded some tyres, ripped a bit of his new rear bar and the side skirt off. Bill, how was that?
Oh,
Yeah, it was no good, no
I'll do
fun.
better next time.
He's got to figure out his handbrake situation, but except for that, the car is loving it. Woo! Bit of quick drift repairs. That's how they come from factory, innit?
Always.
We're on.
I must get airlocks.
Why is it hot?
No?
taxi's been a blast. We've just done broker though. If I get under here, let's see if I can see. Oh yeah, we'll be able to see the diff wobbling there. We sort of broke a diff mount or a bush or something.
Well, the bolt just fell out.
Oh, it's still out? Yeah. We're in business, boys! Alrighty, well, we'll fix that out and get back out there. Killings. Bill's car's turned into a beatboxer. Boom, chicka, boom, 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 bitch! Well, we did one more lap, come back in and sort of exploded the drive shaft. So there's the one that come out. The whole casing of the drive shaft got snapped and exploded, so we're sort of stuck with that in the diff. But we've got a new one. See if we can get back out there. Oh, nice here. Oh yeah, that thing's mad. Well, we're going to go out for one more session of the day, I think. Bill's just checking if B and C groups are going out together. I'll get that one little bit of footage and then we're heading home. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys have liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that shit. We'll see you soon. Peace. Here we go. Last session in the taxi. Last session for the Matsuri. Let's get it. Save, you're alright. It only just spun out when you'd seen it.
That sucks. Just got it.
Yeah. Get in front of him, go!
Ja, probier een beetje.
I don't know, I'm trying to look for one. We need a funnel so we can go back out quick. We're trying to, or an empty bottle or something. Got one, I need a knife. There's a knife in the front of Bill's car in the ashtray. My little pocket knife, Bill. Here, if anyone's gonna stab themselves, I'll do it because that knife's dodgy. Yeah. Is that going to push on that? Where's that rag? Let's go, let's go, let's go! Well, it's another video done, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button if you liked it. Share it around, show your friends. Yeah, there'll be a ton more videos of the taxi coming in the next few months. Bill's entered a few events. I've got some events coming up in the Beamer. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Peace.